My name is Ian. This is my first YouTube video, and it's gonna be a unboxing. So a week ago, about 5 to 8 days, I had applied for DoorDash, and I'm in the New Jersey area, and I did a bunch of research beforehand, and I saw a lot of videos, but I didn't see the kind of information that I necessarily wanted to see. So I decided I'm going to make a video for y'all. And as you can see, make sure that focus. I have my DoorDash starter kit. On the package it says first class, but it seemed like it took forever to get here. But I needed this in order to get started shopping. I'm going to open it on camera today, and I'm going to walk y'all through exactly what happened. Now, mind you, when I signed up, I don't know if there's a t-shirt in here or not. I have no idea if there's a t-shirt. It feels like there's a t-shirt in here, but I didn't tell them what size I was. There was no orientation. From what I had seen, there were a lot of people that were saying that they had orientations, and they had to go to a place. I wasn't told to go anywhere. They sent me some emails, and this is what I got. Now, I don't know. So I'm making an updated version for 2019, and it is February. It is February, and I don't remember what day it is exactly right now, but it's February. So this is the updated unboxing of DoorDash starter kit for those of us who are trying to be drivers. I'm going to change the camera so that way you can see down her what I'm doing, because I'm not gonna open it like this. That would make much sense, would it? I'm sure y'all wouldn't like that. All right, so here we are. It says ready, set, dash. I'm gonna use my handy-dandy knife. There we go. Swing. Oh, y'all can see a little bit of red. This is supposed to be the kit. So, okay. So there's a nice bag in here with a DoorDash D on it. Zipper hanging off. Same thing on the other side. Oh, okay. This is the bag for the food. Comes with a little plastic thing for the bottom. Oh, I'll show you all that. But here is my DoorDash card. It comes on this little piece of paper here. There you go. I can show y'all that. There you go. This is just instructions on how to get started. Yep, so they sent me my MasterCard. Well, that is cool. I'm gonna set this off to the side. What else did they send me? Absolutely nothing. So yeah, in 2019, when you get your DoorDash starter kit in the mail, this is what they give you. A bag and your card. Now, on this card, it says get started. On the back, it says for Android users. And on the front, where my card is, it says for Apple. So, yeah, it literally, and y'all can see that for yourself right there. Step 1, install it. Step 2, to set up your debit card, or your red card as they're calling it, kind of like Target. And then step 3, down here, you have to set up your direct deposit. And then step 4, you'll start dashing. So apparently they don't give you a shirt anymore. I'm not really that mad about it. I really don't care as long as I get my money. But I'm just saying, yeah, everybody's getting a shirt. And they had orientation. On here, it does not say anything about that. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. I know this was kind of short and didn't really have much, but I opened it at the same time y'all opened it. So now you know what you're going to get when you get your driver package, your starter kit as they call it, from DoorDash. Don't forget to like, give me the thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I would highly appreciate that. And this channel is going to be about entrepreneurialism, natural health, and fitness. This is going to be an entrepreneurial thing that I'm doing right now. At the moment, I have my own business. I'm a real estate photographer and videographer. I actually own a real estate marketing firm. And this is just going to be a side thing that I do. As we all know, sometimes we need a little side hustle. So like, subscribe, and leave a comment and let me know what you think.